Now that you've logged into Slingshot, you are well on your way to mastering data-driven work management. So let's go through a quick product tour of Slingshot. Up in the top left, you have a lot of things that just pertain to you and your access. You have a My Overview where you can access anything that you've bookmarked. You can see your upcoming tasks and quickly filter them. And then you can see any mentions that you have missed within Slingshot. You have My Tasks, where you get an aggregated view of everything that is assigned to you in Slingshot, as well as you can create personal tasks for yourself, maybe that don't pertain to a particular workspace or project. Shared with Me will show you anything in Slingshot that has been shared with you. My Analytics are where you can get started creating dashboards and getting real-time insights out of your data. Pins are where you can keep all of your really important files and links and URLs within Slingshot. And My Cloud Storage is where you can connect to any of your cloud storage providers so that it makes attaching files and pinning files and using them in Slingshot to be super easy. Underneath of that, you have 3 different tabs where you can go between your workspaces and projects, your bookmarks, and your groups that you've created. If I come back here, for our enterprise users, you will also have an organization. Be sure to check out our video for enterprise users on organizations and data catalogs to see all of the functionality that you get within there. As you come down, workspaces are then your next level of navigation, where you can see that marketing, product development, ABM, and sales are my workspaces. Within workspaces, you have projects where you can further break down projects and have conversations and store files and dashboards for particular projects so that you have everything that's related to a project, a process, an initiative in a single place. Within each workspace and project, you will also have different tabs across the top here where you have overviews, projects, pins, dashboards, as well as you can turn these tabs on and off so you can use tasks and discussions and data sources within your workspaces and projects as well. As you come up here to the right-hand side, you have your settings behind your avatar where you can manage your different settings. You can give us feedback, contact support, and invite friends into Slingshot. You also have chat up here where you can have different conversations with other Slingshot users, whether you want to have a conversation with a group or one-on-one or just 2 people within Slingshot, you can do that here. And you can keep this pinned right on your sidebar as well, so you always have access to your chat. And then last but not least, you have your notifications up here where you can get real-time access to anything that you're being notified on within Slingshot.